Mindway AI is a Danish company founded by a guy called Professor Kim Morrison, who is a professor of neuroscience, and we bring together the learnings from neuroscience with AI technology to provide safer gambling solutions. The problem that we're solving is being able to find those needles in a haystack. Most people are able to gamble perfectly happily for entertainment, but there are a few people that obviously then fall into addiction issues or experience gambling related harm. It's really hard without this kind of technology to identify who those people are. We at Mindway identify not only those people, but people that are showing early signs that they might be experiencing problematic play at a time where the operator can intervene and steer them back to sustainability. Mindway AI is a really interesting company because our approach to how we detect problem gamblers is very unique. We bring together expert psychological assessment with the AI machine learning technology to effectively give our partners an army of AI psychologists looking at their player data 24/7. We have two solutions at Mindway AI. We have Gamealyze and Game Scanner. Gamealyze is our neuroscience-based non-biased self-test, which enables players to assess the level of risk in their own style of play by playing a card game. Game Scanner is our AI-based player tracking system that replicates the decision-making of human psychologists to enable operators to identify potentially problematic play. We also have an AML module, so we're not just tracking for responsible gaming or gambling-related harm, we're also tracking for behaviours that might indicate fraud or money laundering.
Mindway AI have come to ICE ever since our inception in 2018. The team are here to present basically our solutions and how we can help operators solve the issues that they have around responsible gambling. We've had a lot of meetings with clients, potential clients, operators, regulators and partners. We've been speaking on panels at this event. We've been hosting some dinners, attended networking events. It's been a really great show. Mindway AI are part of the Sustainable Gambling Zone. Obviously, it's core to what we do. We only work in the realm of responsible gambling. Sustainable gambling is on the rise globally. We don't want to prevent players, we want to protect them. We want to do that for a longer term. So we work quite closely with regulators from different markets, operators of different verticals, and how we can intervene early and detect early. So it's really on the rise, and yeah, we're excited to see what the future holds.
I would say the main challenge operators are currently facing is the constant changing regulatory landscape, which is very resource heavy to track, and therefore they are at risk of incurring fines both with AML and RG breaches. My unique background allows me to both understand complex legal questions and business administration. I can balance the two acts and make sure that compliance doesn't become a hurdle, but more a bonus for the operators. One of our key considerations is to stay ahead of the curve to make sure our solutions stay up to date, both legal, regulatory-wise and technical-wise, and we ensure our customers are not faced with these massive fines we see across the globe.
So this is the first event of the year for us. 2025 was a really successful year for Mindway AI. We announced some massive clients, including Crown Resorts and Prize Picks. And we have some good ones in the pipeline for this year as well that we'll be announcing soon.
I envision us to keep moving forward as we've done previously as the gold standard within responsible gambling.
ICE 2026 is a great show for us. We'll be attending a lot of industry events in 2026 globally. So keep your eyes out and check out mindway.ai to see where we'll be.